Our planet is getting hotter. And we're dealing with the challenges of climate change. There's more and more heat impacting our lives. Like the rest of the world, Australia is having increased record heat wave events that are forecast to continually increase. Due to evaporation, vegetation in our rural areas keep things cooler. However, with urban sprawl and development, these regions are being lost. Increasing urban heat loads into our cities due to concrete, metal and bitumen. Compounded by air conditioners, trucks, buses, cars and people creates the urban heat island effect, where the trapped heat cannot escape easily. This is most prevalent at night because rural areas cool off faster at night than cities. Across Australia, new urban nightmares with dark roofs and minimal green spaces exacerbates the problem, where a dark roof can increase the temperature even more that enters the building. This puts you under more heat stress and costs much more to remain cool. This heat impacts homes, industry, transport, refrigeration, agriculture, and human health, and puts extra pressure on energy demands. Traditional fiberglass insulation can't keep up where roof temperatures can reach higher than 80 degrees. Like a full bucket of water, once the heat loads into the insulation, it spills into the coolest part of the building where you live and work. Then the heat of the day is transferred into the building at night that's stored in the insulation, keeping you hot. This heat is where the air conditioning ducts are stored in the roof space, working hard and costing significant energy to keep you cool. This creates the vicious cycle of more heat, more energy use, and more money to stay cool. Extra air conditioning continues to put more heat back into the environment, increasing CO2 emissions, and ultimately growing the urban heat island effect. All putting extreme pressure on energy supplies, risking blackouts and heat-related deaths. Enter the superhero, Super Therm and NEOtech. Stop the solar heat before it enters the building. How Super Therm works. Super Therm stops 95% of UV, visual and infrared heat with its 4 scientific high-performance proven ceramics that can be applied by brush, roller or airless sprayer. This proven advanced insulation coatings technology tested by NASA and used globally for over 30 years. It blocks 95% of solar heat on buildings, transportation, trucks, refrigeration, containers, and more. Enjoy being in a cool building that's passively blocking heat, leaving near ambient temperatures while also reducing your energy running costs. Super Therm works well with solar. Less energy used in the building means more back to the grid. Super Therm has been tested globally to be fireproof, eco-friendly, water-based, reduce CO2, and lasts over 20 years. Ultimately, this makes life more comfortable, saves you energy, saves you money, and reduces the urban heat island effect. Visit neotechcoatings.com for more information about Super Therm insulation coating that blocks the solar heat.